95% of your results are based on your mindset. And so if we want to produce new results in our life, we have to change our mindset. Research has proven there are only two ways that we do that. One is through repetition, and the other is through immersion or impactful emotional experiences. Most people wait for negative emotional experiences, but when we can create intentional, positive emotional experiences, we can produce greater results in our life. And I am just back from one of those experiences. Last week, I led a powerful immersion retreat to Sedona, Arizona. There are centers on this planet where the energy moves faster, and they're called vortexes. And one of those vortexes is in Sedona, Arizona. There were over a dozen of us enjoying the beauty of the red rocks and really going deep within ourselves for a greater outer transformational experience. Very, very powerful. The importance of taking that time out of our lives and creating this positive immersive experiences is it interrupts the daily patterns. We get to hear from that part of us that we don't hear from when we're in the busyness of our lives. So what do you have on your calendar that would include an immersive experience, a positive emotional experience? If you can imagine when you're learning a new language, and let's say you're going to a class every week to learn this new language, so maybe an hour or two a week, and that's the repetition of being able to learn something new. Now imagine traveling to a country where they only speak that language and nobody understands you. Now all of a sudden you're in this immersive experience and you're going to learn much, much faster. And so when you put yourself in an immersive experience, it causes you to go deeper and to learn so much more and so much faster. Over the last decade, I've made sure that I have put myself in these immersive experiences at least once a year, but try to do that on a quarterly basis to really install new patterns of thinking, install a new mindset so I can produce greater results in my life. And I also put these immersive experiences on my calendar to create them for you so that you have this experience of going deeper so that you can create transformational experiences in your life. And the next one is the 3-day vision workshop, April 21st, 22nd, 23rd, where we spend 3 days installing a new mindset within you that's more in harmony with your dreams. And we do this in person in Edmonton, but also broadcast it virtually so you can join us from anywhere in the world. And what I know is this 3-day experience can be the catalyst for great transformation in your life. If you want to produce new results, if that's in your health, in your relationships, in your business or your career, with your time and your money freedom, 95% of that is going to be in your mindset. And the 2 ways that we change the mindset is through repetition and immersion. Listening to these videos every week, installing new thinking patterns is very, very important. And when you layer upon that these positive, high emotional impact immersion experiences, it acts like this booster rocket on your results. So I hope you'll get registered, you'll join us. People from all over the world attend this 3-day immersive experience because they want where it's going to take them. So join us. We'll put the link to register in the comments below. And let's get you started on creating even greater results in your life through that positive, emotional, immersive experience. I'm Stacey Berger, and here is to you living a life you love.